How you doing, buddy? Are you Rob? What's going on today, boss?
My stepdaughter, she's got some mental issues. She's been in and out of mental hospitals. We're having Christmas. She came over here. Sometimes she just flips.
Okay.
She has a 3-year-old daughter inside. She flipped out. I got her outside. She tried to break out all the windows in the house.
Okay.
Her dad just
Does
came
she
over.
live here at all?
She's sort of in between our house and her dad's house right now.
A 911 call came in from a man named Rob, claiming that Taylor, his adopted daughter, was struggling with mental health issues and had armed herself while threatening to kill the rest of the family.
No, that was in October.
Okay.
So she's on probation.
Other than
for
breaking
that.
out the windows, did she make any threats of physical harm to you guys?
I mean, with the hammers, before I took it, she said she was going to bash my head in with it. But
And your stepdad?
I have a stepdad. Her dad's back there with her right now. I don't know. I walked away. They're right around back on the back porch.
Other than the hammer, no access to weapons on her?
I took the hammer from her. She grabbed it. We had ice skates hanging on that thing. She tried to break it.
Do you know what caused it tonight?
She just flipped out of nowhere. Anytime you try to talk to her about anything important,
when she has an episode like this, the last 6 months has just gotten more violent, and she's never ever said anything about hurting herself before, and this is the first time she's ever said that. So this makes me worry that it's escalating her mental illness. You know what I mean? I'm hoping that can get her help, and she'll be incompetent.
You said they were giving mini Xanax bars. What else were they giving?
Just melatonin, and they try to give her a patch so she quit smoking. But she only took one pill like 5-6 hours ago. That's all she had all day today. She probably should have. But those mini Xanax, I think would have stopped her from. Maybe, I don't know. She had one right before I dropped her off. I dropped her off here at about 3:30, and before I dropped her off, I made her take one because I knew this could happen. I knew this could happen. I was hoping that wouldn't, because her and her mom were the longer triggers. I was hoping this wouldn't happen. I was hoping they could have a good family time and everything be good.
Don't beat yourself up, buddy. You've done everything you
I
could.
really thought that this was going to be.
She was doing great for the first 4 or 5 hours.
Well, I made her take it. What for? She
dropped her off.
I know I asked.
Good evening. Hey, Deputy Moore Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, they're kidnapping my kid. They're asking me to leave her here, and I'm saying no.
Okay.
Yeah, they're asking me to leave my daughter here, and I'm saying no.
All right. You're Taylor, right? Yes?
No.
You're not Taylor?
Nope.
What's your name? Okay, well, we're here to help you, so I need to know who I'm dealing with.
I don't know who you are. You don't know who I am.
I introduced
You're not
myself
dealing
as
with me. I'm
Deputy
not
Moore.
dealing with you.
Yeah.
I'm talking to him. That's being cooperative.
Okay. So, you gotta tell me what's going on. You said your kid's in
I was
there?
thrown into a rose bush out front. That's what's going on.
All right.
My hands are all cut up from being thrown into a rose bush out front by him.
What's your hands?
Cut up,
Yeah.
and there's cuts over here.
Okay.
What do you want, buddy? If you want to get back in the house.
No,
Well,
I don't
okay,
need to be
that's
pink
good.
slipped. No, I'm not suicidal. I'm not homicidal. No.
Hold on 1 second. Hey, so we're here to help you, okay? I understand that you don't like us.
It's not that I don't like you.
Okay, so just first, my name's Deputy Sloan, okay? I introduced myself, okay? What's your name? Roll with me here.
I'm not telling you my name.
Why is that?
Because I don't want to.
Well, we're here on official business, and I don't want you to get hit.
So am I.
Okay?
Okay. Do you live here?
Yes.
Okay. Dad, does she live here? Yes or no?
It's hard to say, isn't it?
She's been staying.
Okay.
She's correct in what she's saying. She's just not processing things properly.
No, I am.
So she can't go in treatment. She just got out from Kettering Health Behavior in Lamb on Monday.
Okay.
And this has been ongoing for the last 6 months, trying to get her help. And so what's going on right now in her mind, what she's processing, she believes everything is correct and right. She's doing the right thing. I'm telling her I'm not blaming her for what she's trying to do, but she's doing it the wrong way. And I understand where she's coming from, but she's not processing.
Okay.
So that's what's going on right now. And I don't want to see her go to jail, but she can't stay here. And
I'm not leaving here without my daughter. And I've told everyone that.
And what's your daughter's name?
None of your business. No.
They're here to help.
See, here's the thing. We want you to connect with your daughter, right? For us to do that, we need to know who you are, who your daughter is, so we know who we're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? So, because you want to see your daughter, right? Is that right?
Hey, Taylor, when you got out of the hospital,
I'm not. What?
when you got out of the treatment center, did they give you any medication to take? Have you been taking it?
Yep, it's at his
That's-
house.
She took one pill today. I don't believe that was enough, but she's not. They didn't give her any antipsychotics. They only gave her a baby Xanax and some melatonin to help her sleep because she was there all week, being in a controlled environment, and probably was fairly stable. But when she gets conflict or stresses in her life like this, she can't process those, and she lashes out violent.
Okay.
So
No, I asked for my car keys multiple times, and
I understand.
I think
they wouldn't give them to me.
right. I think that was for your safety too. I think that was kind
No,
of a recommendation.
that's a bullshit. That's a bullshit statement.
Okay.
It's okay, Taylor. You gotta go. Either we need to leave or they're gonna make so.
Well, I live here. How can they make me leave a place that I live?
We're trying to get everybody's side here.
But you can't
Okay.
stay here. You don't live.
I don't. I don't have anything at your house. Nothing at your house is anything that I own. So no, I don't live with you.
Okay, but we can't stay.
Tight. We'll talk to him for just
When we
another
walked
second.
in that door, I told them I am not leaving
by
here tonight
threats.
without her. She is not staying here with them, and I talked.
So let me, because he kind of got the story ahead. So she had a hammer. She
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
let her have her car keys, and she said that. Okay. Dad said basically when there's conflict, she can't process things.
She,
Okay. So before you took the hammer, what'd she say to you? She's gonna beat your brains in.
yeah.
Okay. Anybody else hear that?
I know. It was just I had her outside away, trying to keep her away
Yeah.
from her daughter. So
Okay. Do you guys have custody of the daughter, or
No.
is it just kind of you have her while she's
no, she brought her daughter over with her
Okay.
today for Christmas.
okay? So,
So-
she does have custody
Yeah,
of her.
she has custody.
Okay.
Like I called her dad to come get her before all this started. Like,
Yeah.
and he's beating around the bush, and
Yeah.
like she gets agitated for some reason. We've done nothing but support that girl her whole life. I moved back for college. I mean, and then
Yeah.
she just I don't know.
Because one of the things that if she's on any meds and she doesn't take them, makes it worse
She's
too.
not taking any.
Yeah.
Like,
So whether she's prescribed them or not, they said she is a little bit, but not much. So okay. Can you write down on paper for me what she said to you?
yeah.
Okay.
Because
Reason being.
she went into my bedroom and took my wife's spare car, and
Okay.
she was going to take off in her car.
Yeah.
So I grabbed in front of her.
Yeah.
And then she just went ballistic.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
now, why wasn't you going to let her?
Why wasn't I going to let her leave?
Yeah.
Why wasn't I going to let her take my wife's car?
Well, yeah, I know that, yeah.
The psychiatrist, I mean, we don't have it in writing or anything,
Okay.
but they said, please.
But you wasn't going to let her take any of your cars?
No,
Okay,
none at all.
that was the issue.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
So-
So yeah, I'll get you a statement here in a few minutes. Write that down for me.
Okay.
Okay. She's gonna go to jail for domestic because she verbally threatened you. So with the domestic,
don't really
we
want
kind of.
She goes to court tomorrow for probation violation.
Okay. Well,
So-
she can add to it because with domestic,
I know.
our hands are tied now.
I know.
Okay.
So, roll me through your side
They're
of the story.
kidnapping my daughter. They're
Okay.
asking me to leave without her, and I told them no. I am saying no. I was attacked
By
in the
who?
hallway, and then again on the front
Who
porch, and then
attacked-
again back
which,
here.
Which person attacked you?
Rob.
Rob did? Okay.
Yes.
Rob attacked you?
Yes.
Okay.
He
And how-
threw me into the bushes. He threw me on the ground.
Okay. And what led him to throwing you to the ground?
I found my mom's car keys.
Okay. And what did he say to you after you found your mom's car
He
keys?
said, those aren't mine. And I said, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Where are you planning on going with your daughter?
I wasn't leaving with her.
You just wanted the
The
car
only
keys?
way I was leaving without her was if I was driving away from her.
Right. And I'm just saying, like, where were you going? What was your plan after leaving?
None
with
of
her?
your business.
Okay. So you wanted to grab your car keys or your mom's car keys and leave with your daughter.
No,
And
incorrect.
what?
That was an incorrect statement.
Okay.
That's
then
not what I said.
Then correct my statement.
I was going to leave her here. The only way I was going to leave her here was if I was driving away.
Okay.
It was if I was driving.
So, okay. So you wanted the only way for you to leave was if you were driving away.
Yes.
Okay. And they didn't want you to drive.
No.
Did they want you to drive?
No. They've been holding my car keys away from me for
Okay.
months, and it's not
So
okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. They were preventing you from leaving, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And then what happened after they were preventing you from?
I was attacked. Rob attacked me.
Okay.
He attacked me. He
And
about
what-
broke my wrist getting the car keys out of my hand.
Okay. And what happened after he threw you in the bush?
I picked myself up.
Okay. And what happened after that?
I don't know.
How do we get here?
I don't know.
Okay, so you wanted the only way. So tell me if I'm wrong. I'm going to just reiterate what you just told me. The only way that you were going to leave this house is if you had car keys.
My car keys.
Okay, and
I
Rob
couldn't
did.
find
And
my car
Rob
keys. I
and
only
Rob
found her
did.
car keys.
And Rob didn't want you to. Okay, so he threw you in the bushes.
Yes.
Okay, are you willing to put that down on a piece of paper for me?
Oh, I can't write.
Taylor, we're just here to try to help you. Okay.
I was supposed to be taking her to court. The plan
He
was,
stepped in where he wasn't welcome to.
The plan was for her to let Lori stay here.
That was not the
So I
plan.
can
He
take
took
her
that
to-
upon himself to make that the plan without asking her mother, who was in charge, without asking me. And no one ran that by me. No one asked me.
So that somebody
No one
could
asked me
watch
until
her.
they asked me to leave.
Well, we're just trying to paint a picture here. Okay.
Taylor, you and your stepdad have an argument about the car keys. They look like concrete.
Yeah.
So you guys have an argument, you and your stepdad. Not like that. Nothing. Okay. So yeah, I know. I talked to him about it.
Taylor was arrested on charges of threatening with a weapon and endangering a minor.
with us.
No,
Okay.
I'm not.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not. No,
Come on.
no, I
Love you.
can't.
Love you.
I can't. No, no,
Come on, Taylor.
no, no.
Easy.
No,
Come on, sit.
no, there, no, no,
Take your daughter. You gotta do
no.
everything for your daughter.
And this is not gonna help.
No, it's
no,
not. It's okay.
no. I'm just gonna go with my dad.
No, you're not. You're gonna
Yes,
go with us.
no, I can't do it again. I'm gonna kill myself if I go into jail again. I am going to kill myself if I go into jail again. I am going to kill myself if I go into jail again. Take me to the hospital. I'm going to kill myself if I go into the jail again. Get off me. No. No. I'm gonna kill myself if I go into jail again. I'm gonna kill myself if I go into jail again.
It's okay, Taylor. They got you.
I'm gonna kill myself. I almost killed myself last time there.
Taylor. That's my light.
Just about to slip those cuffs.
Nope. Yep. No, that's fine. She's already because of mental illness. We've been trying to get her health medication. Yes. And she doesn't know what she's doing when she does it. And I know, I mean, she... That's violence laws in Ohio.
So
They clamp down on us so much.
it's not our fault. It's domestic violence laws. It's a mandatory arrest even if she threatens it or even acts upon it. Whenever it comes to the psych eval and the psychiatric type of things, we do have a portion of the jail where she will be evaluated. And number two, she'll be in isolation.
Did she have anything with her?
We haven't.
We didn't have time to...
Taylor, do you got anything on you? Wallet, keys, or anything? Wallet, or I got your phone.
Bring the phone so she can get your contact information out of it.
Threatening with a weapon can carry 1 to 3 years in prison, increasing to 4 years if a weapon is used. Child endangerment carries 2 to 6 years, with an additional 3 to 6 years if the child is seriously injured, or 4 years if the child dies. How many years do you think she will face in prison? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.